Very good morning, students. As you know, we are studying the chapter 3, Politics and Plant Development. Right? We have completed political contentions, means controversy. Right? And the first 5 year plans. Right? And development, idea of developments, we have completed. Right? In idea of the development, the modernizations, industrializations, scientific rationalities, these are the idea for the development, how to grow the economy through these. Right? These are the tools. Development is bound to generate contradiction, conflict and argument also. Right? And planning we have completed. Planning means again utilization of country resources in sustainable way. Right? Whatever resources we have to ability to use those resources in such a way that we do not harm the other area or our natures. That is the planning. Planning means proper utilization of resources. Whatever resources we have in our country, we use those resources for country development. Right? In 1944, the big industrial drafted joint proposal for setting up a planned economy in country known as Bombay Plan. We have already completed, and soon after independence, the early initiatives we have completed. The planning commissions, Niti Aayog, we have also completed. The first year idea of development planning and the first 5 year planning we have completed. The objective of the first 5 year planning we have completed. Right? The basic the 5 year planning is the main issue of 5 year planning was agriculture. Right? The main focus on the agricultural development in first 5 year planning and the term of 1951 to 56. Right? So we have completed this so far. Now today we are discussing about the second 5 year plan. It started 1956 to 61, and this is also called the main focus on the objective of the second 5 year plan is rapid industrialization. Right? After agriculture, in second year government focus on the rapid industrialization in second 5 year plan. Right? The second 5 year plans stressed on heavy industries was drafted by team of economists planner under leadership of P.C. Mahalanobis. The full name of P.C. Mahalanobis is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. Right? So we understand the achievement of the first year 5 year plans, what we achieve in 5 years first 5 year plans, because we focus on the agriculture industry. So we achieve increase in national income of the people are increase, agriculture development and production also increase. Right? Irrigation and railway development also increase in first year plan. Now the second 5 year plan is started on 1956 to 1961. Right? This plan is, purpose of the plan was to establish socialist pattern of society. Right? It was drafted by a team of economists and under the leadership of P.C. Mahalanobis, Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. What are the objective of these second 5 year plans? First we understand what are the objective. We already understand that the 5 year plans, second 5 year plan is mainly focus on rapid industrializations. The objective is large expansion of employment opportunities. Right? To establish the industries, and then if we establish the industries, then people can get employment. Right? It is clear. Sizable increase in the national incomes to raise the level of livings. If we have established the industries, definitely the people will got job and they will receive the incomes, whatever the factor income they receive, because they give the factor service to the production unit. In return they receive the income. That income is known as the factor income. Got it? And third objective is rapid industrialization with special emphasis on the development of basis and heavy industry. Right? So these are the objective of the second. ठीक है? And other objective are reduction of inequalities in income, wealth, and more even distribution of economic power. Means distribution of economic power means as due to the establishment of the industries, people can get job, and due to the job their income will be rise and their poverty will be removed and the income will be distributed among the section of the society. Right? Now we understand what are the achievement, what we achieve through this second 5-year plans. Right? What the achievements? Because we focus on the rapid industrializations and government set up many heavy industries. So what the outcomes of this second 5-year plans? First is foreign exchange, means the foreign exchange of the country increase. Second, agricultural development. Due to the industries, there is heavy demand of raw materials and it comes from the agriculture sectors. Right? Due to the development of the industries, the agricultural sector also will be developed. This is clear. Power programs means it uplift the people incomes and distribution of income among the societies. Right? Industrial development and general developments, these are the achievement of second 5-year plan. Right? Bombay plan I have already discussed in 1944. Right? So we more know about the second 5-year plan. Right? This way we understand the second 5-year plan. Hope you got it. Right? And we also understand the third 5-year plans in next video. Right? Thanks for watching this. Have a good day.